Once upon a time, nestled among the realm of the everyday, there exists a special place known as Terra Studios. A place where the canvas of imagination unfolds, and art breathes magic into every corner for all those who dare to dream. Each visitor who steps under this enchanted archway enters a story where each corner whispers tales of wonder and creativity. In this fairy tale land, sculptures and murals come to life, and mythical creatures hold court amongst the blooms. Here in this land of wonder, creativity is a song that rings true, and every visitor is invited to contribute a note to the symphony. Under a gazebo of bluebirds, one finds a haven of peace, a moment to soak in the enchantment that surrounds them. Bold adventurers may take the challenge of the mysterious labyrinth, where each twist and turn is a step deeper into enchantment. Here, friendships form with the most unexpected companions, creatures that are larger than life, and teem with unexpected delight. The gallery and cafe provide more than sustenance. They are an exhibition of the local magic, a testament to the heart and soul that fuels this enchanted place. The lifeblood of Terra Studios flows from the generosity of those who have been touched by its magic. Each contribution is a gift that helps this realm of wonder continue to thrive. Under the open sky, games and play take on a new dimension, adding to the palette of creation. So, until the next chapter, carry the magic of Terra Studios in your heart.